Howdy everyone. So for today's video I want to unbox a Ford Mustang 143 scale car diecast from cool Chic Auto, which you can customize, and by customize, I mean minor body swaps, such as wheels, engine hood, front and rear bumper, and installing the engine, etc. There's 3 colors available: yellow, red and blue. I only buy 2 of them, red and yellow. Let's see what's inside. And inside you'll find a prior, and a manual, of course. The body is made out of metal, and the rest is plastic and rubber for the tires. I think this is a quite good build material. Oops. Don't be panicked, the hood is designed to come off easily, so you can easily install the engine and whatnot. Let's swap them. I'd like to start from the engine first. Remove the engine hood. Then, install the engine. Oh well, it's not a rocket science. I believe you'll manage to do this on your own without me telling you step by step. Just read the manual if you have a doubt and confused. I love how easy to swap the wheels, just pull them and snap it back together. And done. Time for spinning shot. So subscribe, share the video, thumbs up, leave a comment, fight a crime, kill rats and mosquitoes, become an astronaut or a doctor. Just do something good. Okay, even it's only a small things. After all, we only live once, and at least be useful to everybody. Oops, you shouldn't see this yet. Bye.